Kasama ko ngayon si Ella upang may kakulitan ako habang natututo sa ating bisita.
Yes, and sobrang excited ko na kasi napapanood ko lang to sa lahat ng social media. Sobrang trending. Gusto ko pa naman tumatry.
Kaya nga, alam mo nung panahon ko, ayun, nauso na yan, naalala ko, lagi kaming ganyan. Kapag may pupuntahang party, event, o mahalagang okasyon. Pero ngayon, dahil uso na sa social media, dapat pati pananamit laging sakto at sabol. Next.
Tama, dapat lagi niyang sinasabi natin, aesthetic.
Oo, kaya naman, wag na natin patagalin. Andito na, basta may bago, dapat updated tayo. Jeannie Villegas ay may uso. Ayan. Wow,
Hi,
ikaw pa yung
Senator.
ikaw pala yung
Nice
Jeannie
to meet you.
Villegas. Nako ha. Nako. Excited kami ni Ella.
Yeah, thank you for inviting me.
Nako, thank you for coming. Napakasikat mo na sa buong social media. Saan ka ba
Trending na
natu-
trending
Oo
kasi.
nga, bakit? Nauso na yan nung unang panahon, nung
Yes.
panahon ko. Pero ngayon, saan ka natuto? Highly technical naman yung inyo.
Kasi ganito yan, naging trending dahil sa K-drama,
tama.
K-culture,
Very
and all.
trending.
But you're right, Senator Amy, kasi nung 80s, usong-uso yung book ng Color Me Beautiful.
Color Me Beautiful, tama.
Yeah, at saka the
parang-
different seasons.
Anong
ganon.
pinagkaiba nito?
Ngayon, mas specific pa. Di
Oo,
ba dati,
highly technical.
4 seasons lang. Ngayon, meron mga flows. Kunyari, kung deep winter ka.
Deep winter, radiant winter,
yung
mga
ganon.
brilliant Diyos ko, mahirap siyang intindihan. Saan ka ba nag-aaral?
I studied at the International Image Institute and my mentor is Karen Brancher sa Toronto po.
So strong.
Ay,
Hindi ko alam.
I was,
Gano'ng katagal mag-aaral niyan?
actually 3-day course yon. I
Oh,
was
tapos?
certified in 2014.
Oh.
So 10 years na.
Tagal na
10
po.
years ka nang
Oo,
ganyan.
yeah.
Tapos, kailan ka naging social media sensation?
Lately lang po yan dahil sa
Lately lang ba yan?
after the pandemic.
After 10 years. After the pandemic. Kasi nung pandemic, wala namang party. Wala namang event.
Yeah. Kasi naging trending sa TikTok, sa YouTube, ganon.
Ay, ganun.
Yes.
Sikat, ano? Galing. Anong pinagkaiba dun sa dati, yung sinauna namin? Mas technical talaga to.
Ano
Mas
lang siya,
highly
parang
specific.
level up.
Ah.
Level up, yeah.
So, ang training niyan, dyan lang sa Toronto o sa Korea
There-
o kung saan?
There are different schools also to be certified, but I chose the one in Toronto kasi believe ako sa trainer who is Karen Brancher. Master po siya sa image.
Oh, wow. Naku,
Kasi
talaga.
aside from color analysis, we do other aspects of image. Kunyari style, etiquette, gano'n.
Wow. That's
Yeah.
Alam mo, Sed, I think kailangan alamin na natin kung
Oo
ano
nga.
yung mga colors na
Oo,
mabubuti
na,
sa atin.
ayan. Anong bagay? Ayan,
Ito talaga.
Ayun na, naghugas
pwede niya
pa
na po
ng
i-start.
mukha
Oo
to,
nga,
to.
sabi
Talaga
kasi ni Miss
nag-erase siya,
Jeannie,
oh.
kailangan daw walang makeup. Ang
Oo
aga-aga
nga.
ko gumising today, tapos biglang binuran.
Pinura na pinura para makita daw yung tunay na kulay.
So it's more accurate.
Yes.
Ayun.
So,
Ayan,
we
ayan,
can
ayan.
start na po.
We'll start na.
Yeah,
Oh,
sure.
sige. What will you do?
So like this, I will test. I have some
dito ka
swatches.
Diyan na po kayo.
Oh, dito
I
lang.
can help Miss Jeannie hold her mic. Dito po ba kayo sa likod ni Miss Jeannie?
It's okay. I can
Dyan lang
stay
sa
at
harap.
your
Okay.
back.
Oh, sige.
No problem.
Ayan.
So we have here swatches. We start with metallics.
Ay, ganun. May
Yeah.
metallic. Naku,
Yeah,
nung panahon ko,
pang-party
walang ganun.
agad.
Pang-party ka agad. Yun ang pinaka-importante.
Oo nga po.
Obvious ba?
So example, gold. If your skin glows more with gold, perhaps your undertone is warm. If it glows more with silver, perhaps it's cool.
O si Ella, ano?
Tingnan natin.
Ella,
Isa-swatch
go.
natin.
O, swatch na.
And then we have
Gusto ko
also
makita.
cool and warm colors. There.
Okay,
Okay,
ayun.
so we'll do that now.
Oh, we'll do that now.
Okay, so actually, this is a disclaimer. The most accurate really is without makeup, although she removed already her makeup.
naka-erase na yan.
And then we also cover the hair if it's dyed. So we see the natural.
parang-
The focus is really the face. So the idea is we will see how her skin will glow against the gold. There.
Yun.
Yan.
Ano,
Parang
yes
lumabas
or
na
no?
kasi
So
Eyeballs
if it
ko.
is the right color, your skin will look smoother. You will not have dark circles under the eye.
Totoo?
Yeah.
Talaga,
It will lift also your face.
Eh kung silver naman,
Let's try.
paano?
Let's
Ayan.
try. Let's
Alin ang
compare.
better?
So I think this one lifted her face. the gold. Let's see how it is with the silver.
Ayan, pinagpipilitan maging platinum blonde. Gold ka pala. Ayan.
Not bad, but I think this one lifted her face more.
Mali pala yung kulay ng buhok.
Naku, naloko
Tayo
na.
nag-silver.
Kailangan Marilyn Monroe true
Look at
blonde.
it, look
Ano
at
pa?
it, right? Di ba her face glows more with the gold? Look at the silver.
Oh, ayan. So, join na rin ako. Ano ba? Ikaw lang?
Ah, sige, let's do
O,
it.
biglang gold rin. I'm
So,
sure gold kasi.
Oo
Kasi
nga.
nga,
So,
alam mo
tama
naman
pala
ang
yung una kong
kulay.
buhok dati.
Morena
blonde
galore.
blonde.
Ayun.
Let's try the gold.
Siyempre, gold. Obvious ba gold? Ayan. Walang choice. Eh, yung silver, walang babagayan sa Pinas.
Meron
Paano ba
din.
yun?
There are some who have a cool undertone.
Talaga?
Yeah.
Like one in... Wala. Wala lang.
Come on. It brightens your face din, sis.
Yeah.
Eh,
The
puti
silver.
eh. Oo, maputi
Yeah.
kasi. Ayun. So,
Yeah.
anong opinion? Anong hatol?
Anong hatol?
Well, actually, this is approximation because it's more accurate without makeup.
Yeah.
But now, with your
Wala,
with how you
lang
are
pulbo.
today,
Ayan.
your makeup is also more warm. It looks good on you.
Good. Okay.
Yeah.
Alam,
It looks
both
good
of
on
us,
you.
pareho pala tayo.
Parehas
yeah.
dapat pareha sa tayo manabit.
Pare-pareho na. Biglang twins na tayo forever. Ikaw na nga talaga ang bunso kong kapatid.
Baka pagpunta kang Senate ka gold. Kasi
Oh, no. Laban ka. Oh, di ba from head to toe, itsura ng t-shirt. Go.
Kaya nga.
And then we'll
Oh, ano
try
yung mga kulay?
another contrasting colors. We'll compare warm and cool colors. These are warm colors.
All warm.
And those are cool. So this is a teller if we compare orange and pink because orange is warm.
Go, Ella.
Ako pala.
Ikaw pala.
Oh,
Oh,
orange.
bagay sa kanya.
Yeah,
I've
very
never seen you
nice.
wear that color. Di ka nag-orange.
Look, we will compare it.
Gusto yung kulay.
Ayaw mo, natetense ka na. Tumitili.
Oo nga
We'll
eh.
compare it with pink.
Oh,
Okay?
pink.
Oh, no.
Ayan.
Wait,
Okay.
wait.
Pag hindi siya bagay sa pink, magwawala si
Oo
Ella.
nga eh. Mas more on pink pa naman ako kaysa sa orange.
Okay, so this is
Okay.
warm. This is cool.
Ayun.
Cool. Okay? This
Pero
one,
may warm pink din, di ba?
Yes,
Oh,
salmon.
sabay ganon.
Look, this color lifts her face. Yeah, makes her look
Di siya
younger.
happy.
Yeah,
Wait
look.
lang, orange kasi.
Look,
So
look at the
funny.
pink.
Ang pink. Ding!
Oo, ang galing.
Not bad, but this is better. You see the difference?
Yeah.
Ay,
Parang
ganun.
biglang naging saggy yung face ko. Parang biglang dalungkot yung mukha ko.
Gets ko.
Yes.
Gets ko na. Pero may pink naman na talagang mabait sa face.
Yes. Try
You
naman
want
po
also
natin
to
kay
try it?
Senator.
Ah, sige.
Senator?
Joy.
Okay.
Ako
Although-
sali naman ako ng sali.
Although
Tingnan mo yan.
Sen.
Senator
Joy,
is
give me
already in
joy.
orange, we'll try
I'm
this
already
other.
naka-orange. Naku,
We'll try
ano?
this
Ayan.
just the same.
Yay! Orange.
Parang yung suot mo, Sen.
Oo nga, parang wala
Orange.
lang.
And then let's try the pink.
Ay, naku, we like pink.
Oo nga, favorite
Ano
mo
ba
rin
yan?
ang color pink.
Gusto ko yan. Oo, parang feeling ko nakakabaget somehow.
Mm-mm.
Kung totoo.
Very girl.
Ayun.
Maganda.
Okay lang.
Parang bagay sa lahat.
Pwede ba yun? Pero cool. Cool to.
Cool, cool.
Eh kaya nga, pero hindi bagay pag cool.
Maybe go more for the warm kind of pink.
The warm pink.
Yeah,
Okay.
yes.
Sige, ayun.
Yes. Parang mas
Right.
brighten with the warm orange. No?
For
Warm
example, warm shades of pink are hot pink or salmon.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Or those that are more like coral. Like
Kulay
that.
hipon.
Yeah.
Oh,
Now let's
correct.
compare blue and green. You want?
Oo.
Yan.
Because the
Para
blue
ano?
is the cool. This kind of blue, which is
Ay,
royal
gusto-
blue.
Gusto ko naman yan.
This is very beautiful.
Gusto ko yung kulay na yan, pero parang hindi bagay sa akin. Bagay ba sa'yo? Not so.
Not so.
Not so.
Maybe the teal
Not
is
so.
better.
I like teal.
Teal
Ayan,
is warm.
Teal so
Napipili
siya.
ng kulay.
Oh, pinagpipilitan eh. Talaga yan, tigas ng ulo.
color, yun yung bagay.
This one
Kahit
is
hindi.
warm.
Oh, ayan, warm. Ayun yung teal, oh, maganda. Oh, yan.
Yeah.
Ayan.
Softer, no? Softer on you.
Oo naman.
Here, it's a color that stands out, not you. The best
Ah,
colors will make you
Good
stand out.
point.
If it's the wrong color, the color is the one that's gonna overpower you.
Ay,
Yeah. So the colors we wear should complement
tama.
our features
Parang
and
damit na may
complexion.
tao yun, hindi
Yeah.
tao may damit.
Ikaw talaga.
Yeah.
So
Ayan,
fun.
kay Sel.
I'll
ano na?
apply it now
Yung
to you.
blue, royal blue.
Ay, type na type ko yan. Maganda yan. Very CNN.
Ay, ang ganda.
Maganda siya
Parang-
sa TV, pero hindi bagay sa akin sa
Parang ano pala siya, no, blue ng watawat po natin.
Oo, kaya
oo.
nga. Gusto ko yan eh.
Maybe the teal nga is better.
For sure. Kasi nga, mga kwan kami. Mga warm. Baga.
Ayan, oo nga.
Nice.
Oo nga.
Yeah, mas
Yes,
nagsa-stand
very
out na
nice.
yung royal blue instead of the face.
Wala, pinagpipilitan lang Americana. Kasi nakikita ko sa TV, naka-blue eh. Gaya-gaya. Alam mo na.
Oo nga.
Are
Ayan,
there
ano pong next?
other colors you want to try? We have
ayan.
purples.
Ay, purple. Gusto
Ay,
ko
si
yan.
Sen favorite niya yung purple.
Gusto ko rin yan. Kaya lang hindi bagay sa akin.
Bagay sa'yo,
Oh,
Sen.
3 kilong make-up.
No,
Before the purple, let's compare the cool and the warm red. You want?
May ganun.
Ayun.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Ayun.
Actually, yan yung kinaiinisan ko, Sen. Kasi di ba pag tuwing election, lagi naka-red.
Oo.
May mga red na ang lungkot-lungkot ng mukha ko pag naka-red.
Talaga?
Pero may mga red naman na nagsasabi.
Buhay na buhay.
Parang
Oo.
stress ako palagi pag nakapula
Oh,
ako.
this is the one that's lively.
Ayan, yan
It
ang,
is the
yan
warm
ang
red.
buhay.
Warm
Bagay
red.
sa kanya in fair. Huy, yung red na yan na lang forever.
Forever.
Forever. Kung magre-red ka, yan na siya.
Forever tayo red.
Look
Oh,
at the
ayan.
cool red. I'll show
Maganda
you.
siya, in fairness. Yung cool red.
The cool red is darker. Wait, here.
Akala ko talaga pag cool, parang lighter color siya. Hindi pala ako. All
This is cool.
Ay, yan na nga yung sinasabi mo nakakatanda.
O, di ba?
Oh, yeah. So warm talaga.
Ako?
Warm talaga.
Hindi bagay
Yan.
sa akin yan. Pero gusto ko yan, mukhang mayaman.
Mukhang mayaman.
Oo, promise. Yung mga maroon, gusto ko yan.
Ay, oo. Kasi
Pero paano yan?
parang
Laging
formal.
uniform sa basketball. Diba?
Yeah.
UP beloved.
Tama.
I'll try it now
Tama.
on you. I'll try it
Okay.
now on you.
Ay, ako. Ayan. Hanggang dyan lang ako.
Ayan.
Yan ang
Yeah,
abot
nice.
kaya ko.
Very nice.
Sa
Very
pagiging-
Senator Amy.
Sa pagiging GI. Ayan.
Yeah. So this
Yan.
is the cool red. So it's the
Super
warm.
manang.
Para kang
Yeah.
naka-ano.
So this is
Parang
really
rebulto.
Hindi naman, Sen. Para lang formal yung dating niya.
Ganun.
Parang mga...
this is
wine night,
This is
ganun.
livelier. I like
Yeah.
this better.
Mm-mm.
Okay.
Kaya ano nga
there we
sinasabi
go.
kong 3 kilong makeup eh.
Oo
Hindi-
nga.
Hindi pa kinakaya.
Oh, the last color na.
Oh, ano
We
na,
will compare
green. Ano pa
purple.
kulay? Purple.
Purple. Sen,
Afraid.
I remember last time naka-purple ka sa isang episode. Ang ganda nun.
Pero hindi siya purple na purple, di ba? Parang lavender. Yung totoong purple, afraid.
Afraid?
Oo.
Oo nga.
Pa-cute purple lang.
Parang
Pag
Barney
lavender.
purple.
Oo, yung
Here.
ganon.
This is
Yan,
Ayan.
Barney purple.
Wait, I will use
Ayan
first
siya.
the warm purple, ha?
Okay.
Wait.
Natakot si
Natakot yung dalawa eh. Parang tsaka natin.
Here, the warm purple is more like aubergine.
Ah.
Oh, in fairness, maganda siya.
It's
Tsaka hindi
nice,
ka mukhang
right?
dinosaur. Okay. Okay, mga...
Diba? It's nice.
Oh, it's
Very
nice.
subtle.
So, in fairness.
Yeah.
Maganda
Naman
man siya.
nagsa-stand out din siya. Kahit na.
Kahit madilim.
Okay, I'll,
Oh, in
I'll compare it
fairness.
with the
Oh, that's
cool
a new
one.
color
It's
for
nice,
us.
Oo
right?
nga po eh.
Huh?
Hanap
It's
na akong
nice.
gantong damit.
Oh, now
That's,
na. Oo.
that's eggplant or aubergine.
Ah, talong.
Oh, say mo. Oh, virgin eh. French pa kasi. Pinakbit pala yun. Oh, talaga.
Barney ka dito, girl.
Oo, super Barney. Lundag-lundag na
Look at
ng
this.
dinosaur.
Look at the comparison. No,
Yeah,
this is
no,
really
cannot.
much better.
Yeah,
Yes.
correct.
Okay, talong tayo for today.
Talong forever. Okay,
Diba? It's a
go.
nice color.
Oh, ngayon.
It's also used in
Aubergine.
English. Aubergine. It's a shade of purple.
Ah,
Same
Yes.
ko talaga
Yeah.
alam.
Akala ko lahat ng purple aubergine. Hindi ah.
Ay, ko nga
So,
lang siya
ito.
narinig eh.
Oh,
Narinig
here it
niyo ba yun?
is.
Ayun.
Oh, diba?
Oh,
Pare-parehas
ayan.
kami sa
Oh, you learned something
Yeah.
every day. Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah,
go.
so that's nice on you.
Okay,
Yeah,
thank you,
yeah,
thank you.
yeah.
Purple.
Yeah.
Huwag yung purple, violet.
Oh,
ganun.
violet, ganon.
Ito yung purple na cool.
Pero ako I like bright.
So-
Nung bata ko, gusto ko lahat beige. Puro ganun tan, beige. Pero tumatanda, wala nang kulay sa mukha. Ayan.
So, Miss Queenie, with all the colors, parang warm tone kami parehas ni
Yes.
Senator. no?
yes.
Akala ko tisay ka.
Eh, kasi...
Dapat pareho na yung kulay natin in the
Eh, kasi
end.
Pilipino pa rin ako. So, yellow tone pa rin ako.
It's
Ganon?
more of the
Akala ko naman
undertone.
maputi.
Oo, undertone talaga.
Yeah.
Fake Tisay.
Ay, sorry.
Fake.
Sorry
Because
po.
there are some
Bulakenya rin
who
pala.
are fair who really have a warm undertone. There are also some who are not fair who have cool undertone. So
Oo.
it
Ay,
also
ganon?
depends. Yes.
So ano yung mga advice mo sa ating mga tagapanood? Ano mga advice mo? How do you discover? Kukuha ka ng mga iba't ibang tela at ilagay mo sa mukha mo. Ganun.
Yung
Yeah.
iba sa napapanood ko, cartolina yung ginagawa nilang pag gano'n.
Pinagagawa.
Okay. So, the best is really to go to an image consultant.
Eh,
a
madatong
color
daw
consultant. Ha?
Madatong daw.
Hindi naman. Investment kasi.
So, sa bagay.
Yeah. Because
At
once
invest in
you know your
yourself.
colors, we also give you an e-color guide. So, when you go shopping, it's
hindi ka na
easier.
magkakamali.
Hindi ka magkakamali.
And then, does it go for
Tapos,
your hair color,
oo, yun din.
makeup color?
So, it's
lahat
really
na?
an investment because it's not only for clothes, even your hair, your makeup, your accessories. And you know what? When you're wearing your best colors, it also will help you be more confident.
Yeah.
Oh, in
And
fairness.
it will-
Totoo yan. When you look good, syempre,
Yes.
no?
And it will boost your energy.
Ganon.
Di ba?
Oh.
Kasi
Yung
kung
mood
wrong
mo.
color, di ba, it will pull you down. Kunyari, hindi bagay nga sa'yo yung black, tapos naka-black ka, di ba, para kang ano. Kaya,
It
super
sets your
lungkot.
moods din talaga. No?
Yeah.
Nako, thank you so much, Jeannie. Nako, at
It's my
least may
pleasure.
natutunan kami.
To empower you with colors.
Super trending sa social media, the one and only Color Doctora. Ayan
Color
na.
Doctora.
Oo nga,
Thank you so
ayan.
much.
At may bagong kaalaman tungkol sa pagpapahalaga sa sarili at kagandahan. Marami pang matututunan sa pagbabalik ng At the Moment with Aimee.
Ang kailangan ng Pilipino, bigas, hindi angas, kabuhayan, kaligtasan, hindi bardagulan, hanap buhay, hindi hanap away, hindi gera sa politika, kundi gera kontra gutom. Hindi lang dapat puro ambisyon, dapat ay may solusyon. Unahin ang pagkain.